Now, the binomial theorem is another way of expanding any given binomial expression raised to an exponential power. So if you have a general binomial expression with the term a plus the term b raised to an exponential power denoted by lowercase n, the binomial theorem is the summation from the lower limit of summation k equals 0 all the way to the upper limit of summation, which is the exponential power, of the product of the combination, which is the one in red. It is read as n factorial divided by k factorial multiplying by n minus k factorial, multiplying the first term a raised to the n minus k exponential power, multiplying the second term b raised to the exponential power k. Now for the combination in the red, you probably have seen like different varieties, different forms of it. So in some textbook you see this equivalent form, or this equivalent form, or this equivalent form. You're mostly seeing this form out of these two other ones. And this form is really popular too, but I kind of don't like the way that it is written. And I also don't like the way that this form is written as well, but they all mean the same thing. But in reality, always stick with this one. That is my recommendation, because you're actually going to need this one to do the calculation in order to expand your given binomial expression using the binomial theorem. And the way you use your binomial theorem to expand your binomial expression is that you're going to take this entire product and you start out with the lower limit of summation k equals 0, and you replace all of the k with that value 0. And then because this is summation, you have to add this same product, but now k is going to be equal to 1. So replace all of the k with 1. And you have to add another product, another same product here, but now k is going to have to be equals to 2. So replace all of k with 2. And the same thing when k equals to 3, 4, 5, and then all the way up to the upper limit of summation, or all the way up to the given exponential power. So really, it's going to have to be one k value at a time. You start with the lower limit of summation, k equals 0, replace all of the k in this entire product, go to k equals 1. You add this same product again, but now you have to replace all of the k with 1, and then take the same product, replace all of the k with 2, and then take this same product, add it, and then replace all of the k with 3, and then with 4, 5, and 6 all the way up to the upper limit of summation. So yeah, that's the way of applying the binomial theorem, really. And it seems complicated, but it's actually really easy to use, but just a lot of writing that you have to do. So my recommendation when you have to use a binomial theorem is that make sure you simplify in the middle of your work. If you have to, just take one k value, plug it into this entire product, and just work this product on the side. And then you take this same product again, write it underneath, but now replace k with 1, and then do the same thing with k with 2, k with 3. Simplify each of those products individually, and then just add all of the results. That is how you expand out your given binomial expression.